Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Ford F450 bucket truck. It's got the Altec AT200 on it. I'm going to pop the hood, show you the V10 engine. These engines have 360 horsepower, 470 foot-pounds of torque, automatic, overdrive. It has all the heavy-duty coolers, air conditioning. I'll turn it off here and show you how the boom operates. To do that, we put the park brake on. I'll turn that off. We'll pull that out. There's a toggle switch on the dash over there. We're going to flip that up. That is the master for the boom. We have a 7,000 watt electronically fuel injected quiet series commercial owned generator. They fire up no matter how cold it gets out with the fuel injection, just like cars do today. It operates the pump, which will operate the Altec. You do not have to have the engine running, so if you'd like, you can lock your door when you're up in there. If you're by yourself, pull the key out. You don't have to have the engine running, and that's a nice safety feature. This generator sits on a slide. You pull these in and the generator comes right out, and you can service it, change spark plugs, oil, filter, whatever. Got some cabinets here with plenty of storage. We have a nitrogen bottle holder in there. Another storage compartment here. This is ventilated. If you want to put something in here like torches or aerosol cans, it keeps you legal. Storage up here for dirty stuff, shovels, what have you. You push that in, all these doors lock. You put a padlock through there. We have a cone holder. Pintle hook rated at 4,000 pounds. Wiring connector for our trailer. That's a cooler holder up there. Once we have the generator running, we have a few 110 volt outlets. One of them right here. These 4 bolts right here hold a heater that's inside of our bucket, and I'll show you that a little later. But it would plug right into the outlet right there, 110 volt, or anything that you'd like to plug in there. We also have a quick connect for air pressure, and I'll show you that. We have another compartment here. That's our master for the generator. We'll leave that open. You have a nice heavy-duty steel shelves. And this is adjustable. You can put it wherever you want it. This is our nitrogen bottle holder. If you're going to run nitrogen bottle, or sometimes there'll be an air compressor in there, or you could mount one if you'd like. Nice heavy-duty shelving. All these compartments are adjustable. There you go. Ladder rack up here. Another compartment here for digging bars or what have you. We have well, tree trimming equipment that fits in here real nice. And digging bars, whatever you want. Tree trimming equipment stays, it's yours. 220 volt outlet, 110, 110. We can also start and stop the generator here, which I'll do for you right now. Another compartment here. This one, if you want, you can lock it individually. This side also has central locking at the back down there. So I'll show you one of the controllers. There's also, all these controls here are up in the bucket, except in the bucket you have another toggle right here that says high speed or low speed. You can start and stop the generator right here. This says upper controls, that says lower. This is considered the lower control, so this is active right now. Nothing in the bucket would work. Vice versa, if I put that in upper, all of this would not work. We can raise it, extend it. It will go all the way straight up in the air. It will go all the way around the front, a little bit past halfway, and obviously it'll stop there. And then we can go back all the way the other way, and we can stop past halfway. So it'll go a little over 360 degrees. I'll have Clint put some photos in of that. I won't do it right now because we're only allowed so many minutes with the video, and there's other things I want to show you. I'm going to turn this off. Let's go for a little ride in this 2008 Ford F450. Motivation comes from a 6.8 liter V10 automatic transmission with overdrive, tow haul mode. Has 360 horsepower and 470 foot-pounds of torque. V10 has a lot of low-end grunt. Got a couple more cylinders firing. Got AM/FM radio.
Also not the most refined tape.
We have HVAC with air conditioning. Air conditioning